Hey everybody, it's me, Mitch, old guy in a drone. What you're looking at is me starting to build my first Cinewhoop. I thought it'd be kind of neat to have one of these things. 3-inch quad with shrouds around the props, making it safe, and they're supposed to fly stable and make great platforms for GoPro cameras. And I never put a GoPro camera on a quad yet because, to be quite honest, I didn't want to risk my fairly expensive Hero 7 Black. But as my flying improved and my confidence has improved, I thought, what better platform to start with a GoPro than a Cinewhoop style quad? You know, I got most kinds of quads. And the one thing I don't have that I want is a Cinewhoop. Yeah. A 3-inch with the shrouds around it, you know, that's designed to fly slower and steadier and all that. So I saw this thing for like $32.
Huh. Cool.
It's a frame. Huh? And I'd rather build it than buy it. So,
right.
So I ordered this, and Banggood had it. And they had it in their U.S. warehouse, which means that I got it in like 5 days. So here we go. Is this showing up? Yeah.
No reptile dysfunction.
Leave it to art.
Dare I say the word stickers?
Stickers with
oh, there it is.
Yes, I do.
Okay, I knew that was coming.
You're going to have little people complain about this stream now.
Probably. All right, and they actually give you a set of instructions with this, which is cool. We got instructions, and we have battery strap and some of those sticky rubber things for battery mounts and double sticky stuff. And cool. This is the mounts for the, evidently for the full-size DJI Air unit, but I'm going to use the a Vista in here and some screws and stuff. And then they give you these ducts, and the ducts actually have, they're molded plastic, and they actually have screws inset into them, you know, blind nuts in them. So that's pretty nice. I don't know if we'll see how tough they are. You know, some guys are actually getting some of those foam rings to put around the outside. I don't know if I need that or not. And then
with all that fierce flying, Mitch, I think you're good. You're all right.
Probably, yeah. And then this is the frame right here, and it's got provisions for both 30 by 30 and 20 by 20 stack mounts. Very light. Comes with 3D printed camera. Well, no, the camera holders are carbon.
Oh,
and
okay.
It's kind of a nice looking little thing. This is what it's going to look like. 3-inch props, and
cool.
So that's the frame, $32. And then what I'm going to put in this build is this iFlight Succex, strange name, Succex.
I've always thought that was a strange name for their stuff too.
It's their play on words for success.
I know, but they didn't really think it all the way through, did they?
I don't think they did. But this is for is a $50 stack, which it's an F4 stack, so it's not the latest or the greatest F7, but it is the flight stack that comes in just about all of their ready-made quads. The first one I got was the Nazgul, and they're really nice flight stacks. They're $50. So I found some people had a couple of them relatively cheap. I think I paid like $42 a piece. I bought 2 of them, and I've never used them in anything. Okay, and this is the camera that's going in it.
Caddx?
in that Caddx Vista.
So,
Buy
Mitch,
a
is that
bunch
your
of 'em.
is that your first Caddx unit?
This is my first Vista.
And here it is all ready to go, all built with the 3D printed GoPro mount, Caddx Vista, 50 megabit per second bitrate feed to the goggles, and here we go flying it. One of my goals is to try to film usable footage with the GoPro, concentrating on trying to be smooth. Not as easy as you think. Now, I've flown other HD cameras before on some quads, but this is actually my first flight where I decided to be brave and put my GoPro on it and see how smooth I could fly.